Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start a must-do list for interview preparation. If you are very beginner in DSA and want to touch the every topic of DSA, this playlist is really helpful for you. Trust me guys, this playlist will give you the crisp of DSA. So I also want the suggestion from you guys that what the content you are looking for your college placement or any technical interviews that you have. So let's start together. First, today we are going to solve the merge sorted array. So let's see what problem statement given is. You are given a two integer arrays nums1 and nums2 sorted in non-decreasing order. So what is non-decreasing order? You will get the values equal or in increasing order. You will not find any situation where the values are less than the previous value. So this is non-decreasing order. So we have to merge this both arrays nums1 and nums2 into a single sorted array in a non-decreasing order. But the situation is you have to modify nums1 array itself. You cannot use the third array for as a result array. So final array will be of size m plus n. So let's see here. Example given is nums1 array has the size of m where the three elements are the valid elements and rest of the elements are just placeholders as a zeros, and nums2 arrays is also given the size as n. So let's see how solution works here. So we are going to use two pointers and also one pointer at the end of the nums1 array. Why we are using the k variable? Because we don't want to lose the elements of nums1 before we move them. Okay, so basically we are going to fill the elements in nums1 from the end so that we'll not lose any elements in the front of the array. Okay, first we'll check this condition. This condition is here. While I is greater than 0 and j is greater than 0, we are going to iterate through this loop. Okay, so we are going to check which of this array contains the greatest element. So here the 6 is the greatest element. So we are going to place 6 here and we are going to decrease the value of j, and j is going to be here. Okay, so now again we check which of these two contains the greatest element. So 5 is again the greatest element. We are going to decrease k here and place the value of j, which is a 5 here. Okay, so also k decreases and k moves here. Okay, so again we check which of this both contain the greatest element. Okay, so 3 is the greatest element. We add this 3 here and move the I here. Okay, so now we check which of this greatest element. So this both are equal. We are simply just going into else condition. We keeping adding 2 here. Now the first part of the nums1 is sorted itself, so we don't need to perform any action here. So now we'll get the final result as 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our result array. So let's see the result. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. We are getting the correct output here. Okay. So here we are also using an additional while loop. Why we are using this loop? Because, so see in this case, the nums1 array is 0 itself. So the value of I is 0 already. The size of I is 0 already. So we are not going to enter in this loop. Whatever the elements are there in nums2 array, we are just simply adding this in num1 and just resulting the array modified nums1 array. You're talking about the time complexity and the space complexity. We are not using any extra space. So space complexity will be the constant and time complexity will be m plus n, as we are iterating through both of this array. So nums1 array has the size of m and nums2 array has the size of n. So total time complexity is big O of m plus n. So I hope you guys understood this solution. Let me know about any suggestions in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.